Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back to our video. This is the third video in English for hotel and tourism with me, Hanifah Azzahro. Okay, so in this video, we're going to tell you about shopping areas and strategies in tourist spot in Surabaya. Okay, first of all, thank you so much to Miss Septiana who gave me time to talk about this topic and give me task about this one. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Actually, I'm from Surabaya. I'm from East Java, especially Sidoarjo, not Surabaya. But yeah, in Sidoarjo there is no shopping areas, the biggest shopping areas. So that's why I chose the Surabaya. And today I want to talk about shopping areas in Surabaya. Okay, being the second largest city in Indonesia means that Surabaya more or less has a rapidly growing business climate, just like the capital city of Indonesia. Surabaya also has a various interesting shopping areas. This isn't surprising considering that the city of Surabaya has various magnificent and modern mall buildings that can fulfill all the shopping needs of these people. So that's why if you want to go to Surabaya, it's easy to find the building is like a mall or office or something like that. Okay, so for as you can see in the picture, that's the first one is Galaxy Mall, the second one is Pakuan Mall, and the third one is Tujuan Plaza. The three of them is the biggest top three mall, the best mall in Surabaya. But actually in Surabaya, many kinds of shopping areas such as Grand City Surabaya, ITC Surabaya, Chito or City of Tomorrow, Royal Plaza Surabaya, and etc. But the most popular or the most recommended is Galaxy Mall from the first picture. Okay, yes, Galaxy Mall. As you can see from the picture, the building is so big and so huge and so tall. Galaxy Mall is located in Dharma Husada in the street number 35 until 37 Mulyorejo, Surabaya, Indonesia. This building, the first opened in 1996 and follows the second phase in 2006. Galaxy Mall has set a distinct position as one of the most prestigious malls in Indonesia. Wow, that's really cool, man. Okay, and in this mall, we can see many kinds of brands such as Zara, Uniqlo, Sephora, or the others and others. Okay, next. Yes, three buildings of Galaxy Mall. And yes, that's good. That's right. That Galaxy Mall has three kinds of building. Yeah, not only one, but they have three big building. The first one is the Galaxy Mall, first Galaxy Mall, the second Galaxy Mall, and the third Galaxy Mall. The differences between the first Galaxy Mall, the second, and the third is the shape and the theme of the building. As you can see, the first building is just simple and then it's a little bit dark and there's no special thing. And the second Galaxy Mall is more colorful with the orange and yeah, orange and yeah, white. And then the third Galaxy Mall is more modern and huge also. Yes. Okay, and of course the facilities. Public toilet, yes. Information desk, yes. Information desk, yes. Baby changing room, yes. Prayer room, yes. Taxi stand, yes. Wow, that's cool, right? Okay, maybe that's all from me. That's all From me, thank you so much for your nice attention. I'm so excited to explain this one. I'm so happy if I have a task like this one so I can improve my speaking and my pronunciation and of course my knowledge about something about topic who Miss Septi gave to me. I'm so sorry if I have a mistake. As a human being, I realize that I can avoid a mistake. And as I say, see you tomorrow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.